Let's check range of motion. Let's see if he brings his head all the way around. Good. And let's bring range of motion this way. That side's better. This side's a little restricted. So there we go. Got it. I already adjusted the left
Here's a little crack.
C6. Did you hear a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one did crack a little bit. So we have Justina here today. That's the mom, the owner. And we have Potter.
So Potter is, how old is he? He was born in 2011, so he's about 9. He has a Pug-Shar Pei mix, and he actually was diagnosed in February that he has arthritis in his back left leg.
Back left leg, okay. And did they say any hip dysplasia or more just arthritis?
More just arthritis at this point. We had noticed that around Christmas time, one day he just woke up and wouldn't put any weight on the foot and was limping really badly for about a week. And then it stopped, and then in February it came back again.
Okay, is he on any meds?
No, he is on a Cosequin joint supplement every day.
Okay. One thing I noticed is you're gonna have to really keep his nails trimmer than this.
Okay.
When a dog walks, we should not hear its toes clicking. It needs to walk on its pads. And it's not just cosmetic, it literally will change the dog's ability to walk correctly. It'll put pressure on arthritis that's already there. It'll create pain pattern. I've worked with dogs before that were buckled with bad posture, and as soon as you level out their toenails, they walk smoother. Just from that, without working on them. So we're gonna start checking him, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna just follow him right now because he kind of seems to be in a zone. And checking his jaw. I adjust the TMJ sometimes, but his jaw's good. Does he like to pick up balls and things like that?
No, he's
So
a very,
he's
like
not a
to
mouthy
sleep
dog.
And, yeah.
Yeah, he's more of a lazy.
He's not like he's not
He's
even
a-
really food motivated.
He's like more of a Netflix
Yes,
guy.
very much so.
Is he watching anything on Netflix these days?
We just finished a show called In the Dark, and we're looking for something else now.
Well, I'm sure he'll figure out something. So I'm looking right now at the atlas, which is the top bone. I'm doing a little facial traction just to relax him. And I'll have to come back to the atlas in a minute because I think it's the left atlas, but I want to change my angle before. And I'm coming down the cervicals and looking. Let's check range of motion. Let's see if he brings his head all the way around. Good. And let's bring range of motion this way. That side's better. This side's a little restricted, so there we go. Got it. I already adjusted the left
Here's a little crack.
C6. Did you hear a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one did crack a little bit. So now let's recheck. And his head comes all the way around. So he didn't have full range of motion to the left. And then after we did that little click, it went really nicely. He's got a little bit of a right atlas, and I got it. Yeah. Let's check the legs. Let me check each little toe. Doesn't hurt them if I do it right. Let me get that arm out. Nice. Let's check this side. He's a sweet dog, isn't he?
He is very chill.
He's chill. Like it. Checking the pecs, checking the front of the rib cage, checking the sternum, the manubrium. I'm on the lower neck now with my left hand. Feels better. Want to recheck C6. I still think there's a little left there, so no, I got it. Thoracics coming down, thoracics. Dogs have 7 cervicals, 13 thoracics, and 7 lumbars. Now I'm right at the lumbar, L1, L2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
7 is out. Got it.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, I'm on the back left. I'm pushing into his hip, the muscles around the glute. I feel a little spot there. So right now I'm right where the hip meets the pelvis, the femoral head. And let me just pick him up so I can feel range of motion. I'm going to start on his good side, okay? You said it's back left,
Back
right?
left, right.
So that's the good side. Look at that. That's nice. Let's check that. Not bad. A little hesitant. So let's have him stand up 1 second. And I'm going to adjust right in here. Sometimes that makes him yelp a little bit because it's the ilium is forward. Let me get on the right spot. One more. Now let's recheck the leg. Ooh, look how easy it comes up now. Nice. Good. So that's going to help him a little bit. That's it for that. Let me check his tail. He's got also sacral apex left, so I'm going to adjust that next. Got it. And sacral base posterior left. It's a little high on the left. Got it. Nice. I'm getting a C7 posterior left, so I'm going to just do, he's got a few things on this left side. Nice. Ooh, that's in. Haha, it worked. Beautiful. So we're going to let him jump off. We're going to let the camera roll, see if he shakes out his body, okay? Ready to come down? Good. And that's called the reset. We want to see that with the dog. It usually means I got everything.